If Grammarly is showing error 503, don't worry, because this usually means there's a temporary server issue, a browser connection problem, or a blocked session that can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix Grammarly error 503 step by step, so you can get back to writing without guessing what went wrong. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. First, the very first thing you should do is check whether Grammarly is actually down for everyone. Open your browser and go to status.grammarly.com. This is important because if Grammarly's servers are having an outage, then the issue is not on your device, and no amount of refreshing or resetting will fix it right away. When the page loads, look for the service status. If you see a green message that says the service is operational, then Grammarly is likely working normally and the issue is probably on your side. But if you see anything that says outage, degraded performance, or another service interruption, then the best thing to do is wait and try again later. Now, if the server status looks fine, the next step is to clear Grammarly's site data from your browser. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted cookies or saved site data can trigger error 503 even when the service itself is working. To do this, open Grammarly.com in your browser. Once you're on the site, click the site information icon in the address bar. Depending on your browser, this may look like a lock icon or a settings icon next to the web address. From there, choose cookies and site data. Next, click Manage on-device site data. You'll now see a list of saved entries connected to Grammarly. Click the trash icon next to each entry to remove it, then click Done to confirm. After that, refresh the page and sign back in if needed. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is refreshing the Grammarly browser extension. Extensions can sometimes get stuck or stop communicating properly with the Grammarly service, especially after updates or browser changes. To refresh it, click the Extensions puzzle piece icon in your browser toolbar, then choose Manage Extensions, find Grammarly in the list and toggle the switch off first. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. This simple reset can clear temporary extension glitches and restore normal access. Once you turn it back on, reload the tab and test Grammarly again. If you're still seeing error 503 after that, I recommend closing the browser completely and opening it again. You can also restart your computer or device because that can clear any temporary network or extension issues running in the background. Another good step is to make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, since older versions can sometimes cause problems with modern web apps like Grammarly. You should also check whether other websites are loading normally. If Grammarly is the only site giving you trouble, then the problem is probably tied to Grammarly cookies, cache, or extension access. But if other websites are also slow or failing, then you may have a broader internet connection issue that needs to be fixed first. If you use a VPN, proxy, or ad blocker, try turning it off temporarily. These tools can sometimes block the connection Grammarly needs and cause a 503 error to appear. After disabling them, refresh Grammarly and see if it loads properly. If it does, you'll know one of those tools was interfering with the connection. At this point, if Grammarly is still not working, try signing out of your Grammarly account and signing back in again. Sometimes a fresh login session is enough to fix access problems. You can also try opening Grammarly in an incognito or private window to see whether the issue is caused by cached browser data. So to quickly recap, first check the Grammarly server status, then clear the site data for Grammarly, then refresh the extension, and finally restart your browser or device if needed. In most cases, one of those steps will fix Grammarly error 503 and get everything working again. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy tech fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.